questions. I wanted to create this super simple video of me just kind of going over all the tools that you will be needing to complete my Soldering for Newbie course that is coming in January. If you're new here, I'm launching a 10-part course that is going to take you from a literal newbie at soldering and setting up your own soldering station at home to feeling super confident in soldering and working with sterling silver jewelry. So I have broken down these tools into 5 categories, and you are going to be able to get all of this information in the course. I created a 20-minute video for you guys last week, and this video is going to cover all of these tools, how to use them, and everything that you need to know about them so that before you go into the projects, you know how they work. Then I created a very cute downloadable PDF that is going to go over the tools, what they're used for, and give you links on where to buy them. I also curated a really great Amazon shop, but when it comes to shopping for tools, it's really up to you if you want to buy more advanced, higher quality tools, or if you just want to stick to like some cheapy little Amazon tools to get you by. Your curation of your bench and how much it's going to cost you is completely up to you. The first set of tools that you're gonna not want to miss on is going to be your measuring and metal forming tools. These are going to be hammers, mandrels, ring bending blocks, Whaley's gauge tool, calipers, just things that are going to help you measure your wire and form your metal into shapes. Then you're going to need your soldering and safety tools. These are going to be butane torches, tweezers, pickle pot, soldering boards, and just the essential tools that you need to solder your joints. Next, you're going to need sawing tools. So you're going to need a saw frame, some blades, also a bench pin, and if you don't have a jeweler's bench, don't worry about it. I linked a bunch of really great clamp-on bench pins that will work perfect if you're just working at a basic table at home. Then we have our filing, sanding, and cleanup tools. These are going to be all of our tools that we are going to be using to clean up our pieces and our solder joints after we solder. And last but not least is our polishing tools. And to be completely honest, polishing is where our bench can get a bit expensive. Polishing wheels, tumblers, all of these types of machines that we use to really polish and shine and clean up our jewelry to make it as professional as we can, to me is the most expensive part. The polishing process is really up to you. Like if you want your jewelry to look as good as you can and as sparkly as you can get it, you can invest in more tools to help you do that. So again, I just wanted to create this like really simple breakdown video. I am going to create a lot more videos in the future and have a lot more information about exactly what tools you'll need and the pricing to kind of expect of how much it kind of costs to set up this bench. I know investing in soldering and sterling silver can be expensive, and so I just hope that this course is a great way for people to get started, but know that they're gonna get exactly what they need. There's no tools in there that I don't think you need. There's no sponsored tools. Like everything in here is exactly what I truly feel in my heart you need to just get started at home and just continue to grow as a jeweler. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm gonna be back with so many more, talking with you guys about a lot more of these tools and how they work and stuff. So stay tuned, and I love you.